Time for some Tuesday birthdays across the area. We begin in Golden City with Shasta Lynn Broyles celebrating birthday number 3. Happy birthday.
All right, and we have Ace Holland celebrating birthday number 4 today. Love that picture there, Ace, in Sarcoxie, Missouri.
He's dressed up like Blippi, and Blippi is my youngest favorite character, too.
Yes, I recognize that.
Blippi is an interesting program, to say the least, but it's good for kids. So happy birthday, Ace. We've also got Mia McCready celebrating number 5 in Chanute. Happy birthday.
Kaysen Casey celebrating another year older. Happy birthday, Kaysen. Pretty with that flower there.
And we've got Carly Greer celebrating number 12 in Joplin. Happy birthday, Carly.
All right, Maverick Sharp turning 15 years old this year. Maverick celebrates in Parsons, Kansas.
And we've got Darcy Bruce in Chatopa celebrating number 22. Happy birthday, Darcy.
All right, and it's a happy age advancement day for Glenda Darnell in Joplin, Missouri. Best wishes coming from Stony.
I do like that one. I'm going to have to start using that phrase. Peggy Myers celebrating another age wiser in Chanute as she turns 67. Happy birthday.
Donna Reed turning 69 with the little throwback pic there. Love that one. What a cutie there. In Miami, Oklahoma with love from family and your favorite niece.
And we've got Paul Cupp celebrating number 76. Our neighbor in Crestline. Happy birthday, Paul.
In Columbus, Kansas, Wilma Dooley turning 84 years old this year. Hope it's a great one, Wilma.
And up in Pittsburgh, Garnett Brown celebrating number 91. Happy birthday.
And in McCune, Kansas, the Parsons are celebrating their 20th wedding anniversary this year. Congrats going out to Frosty and Roe Parsons.
We've got a lot of anniversaries
here.
Yeah,
we do.
25th anniversary in Parsons for Alan and Christina Grimmett. Happy anniversary.
Well, if you think about it, it's Valentine's Day.
That's true.
That's a pretty memorable day to remember your anniversary.
Yeah, that didn't even occur to me.
Yeah. Good job, guys. Kill two birds with one stone there. There you go. And we've got Dan and Misty O'Brien celebrating their 34th anniversary there in St. Paul.
We've got John and Laura Hicks celebrating their 37th anniversary. Happy anniversary to you, John and Laura.
And in Columbus, also celebrating their 37th anniversary. It's time to celebrate for Gary and Lisa Sandberg.
And our list goes on with Marilyn Worrell celebrating a birthday in Farlington, Kansas, and Daryl Bloomfield turning 76 up in Fort Scott. Happy birthday and anniversary to all of you. Let's continue to celebrate. And how do they need to help us celebrate?
All right, all they have to do is send us an email with your picture and all the details to birthdayswithanS@KOAMnewsnow.com.
And don't forget, when you're checking out our website for the latest information, you can take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It's free, it's easy to do. You get great deals from local businesses, and you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com, sign up for that birthday club today. Well, it's a time